Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, I would like to give some information about Al-Quran and miracles. Let's see what is miracle, what are the miracles given to prophets, and what are the miracles mentioned in the Holy Quran. What is miracle? When an event occurs against its nature, it is considered as miracle. What are the miracles given to prophets? When the blazing fire became coolness on Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, it became a miracle. The stick Prophet Musa alayhi salam used to pluck the leaves turned into a snake. It became a miracle. A camel coming out of the rock during the Prophet Salih alayhi salam was a miracle. Allah blessed the prophets with such miracles to establish their revelations. Prophets were empowered with the miracles of whatever the subject that were popular among the people of Arabia. When the sorcery was famous during Prophet Musa alayhi salam's period, Musa alayhi salam was able to defeat it by miracles Allah bestowed upon him. When power of medicine was famous, Prophet Isa alayhi salam healed patients of dangerous diseases by talking to them. When Arabic literature was at its peak, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam presented the Holy Quran as a miracle. So, students, all the prophets were given miracles to suit them, and I am given the Holy Quran. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What is the challenge of the Holy Quran?" Annual poetry competition were held in a famous fair. We call it Ukkaz in Arabia. The winning poem were recognized and appreciated. At that time, Walid ibn Mughira, the enemy of Islam, after speaking to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, told his people, "I have never seen better poet than me in Arabic. By God, Muhammad's words are incomparable. His speech is sweet, his root is deep, and his branches are so fruitful. Nothing can be defeated." There was another person called Labid, another famous Arabic poet, accepted his inability with the introduction of the Holy Quran. So Al-Quran challenges in front of the people. Let them produce a recital like it if they are so truthful. So this Quranic verse mentioned in chapter number 52, verse number 34. Now let's see Al-Quran's power of attraction. Once Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam started to recite Surah An-Najm in his prayer, Quraysh Kafir could not help themselves from listening while hiding to the beautiful verses. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam started to prostrate with the recitation of final verse of Surah, which says, "Prostrate your Lord." The enemies who were listening to it also went to sujood without their knowledge. This hadith is reported in the book Sahih al-Bukhari. Now let's see the miracles being mentioned in the Holy Quran. The first one is the barrier between two oceans. That is being mentioned in the chapter 55, verse 19 and 20. Second is the value of bee honey. That is mentioned in chapter 16 and verse 69. Next is the reduction of density of oxygen. That is being mentioned in chapter number 6, verse number 125. Likewise, the enemy of Islam, the Fir'aun's body is preserved. With regard to this, the Quran says, chapter number 10, verse number 92, as well as Roman will be the victorious people over the Greek. That is also being mentioned in Surah Ar-Rum, chapter number 30, verse number 2 and 4. So these are the information about the miracles and the miracles which are mentioned in the Holy Quran.